Well, it's football night in America, guys, and the Texans are playing the Chiefs tonight. So I decided to make some delicious vegan plant-based meatball subs. So stay tuned. We're gonna have some meatball subs, but I am vegan slash vegetarian eating. I've been doing that since this June 1st, that I've been going more plant-based foods. So I decided to make some meatball subs. So we're going to use Pure Farmland plant-based meatballs. Guys, when I say that these meatballs are terrific, I even buy these sometimes and crumble them up and make tacos out of this meat, or like if you wanted to make a meat sauce out of this meat, or maybe sloppy joes or some sort of chili. This meat or plant-based meatball goes a long way, and it's great. And it comes with, excuse the seasoning, I season right inside my package here, but it comes with 12 meatballs, which is plenty for us. And then I decided to cut up some bell peppers and onions. I seasoned them already, and now I'm letting them fry in the pan. And then I'm going to go ahead and give them a turn. And then once they're kind of almost there, then I'm going to throw in the peppers and the onions and give it a nice little flavor. And then I'll show you guys the sauce that I'm going to add to the meatballs. I love this brand of sauce. Here, let me... It's Mazzetta. Awesome sauce. This is one of those sauces that you hardly need to add anything to it. This particular flavor is tomato basil, and it's delicious along with all the other flavors that they have. But like I said, I'm just going to throw that on top, and then we're going to top it with, I have here some cheddar slices, but they are dairy free. So I can either use those for mine, and then if my husband wants to use real cheddar for his, or some type of mozzarella, then he can do that as well. So I'm going to go ahead and turn these before they start burning. Don't want that to happen. Oh gosh. Put it on that side a little too long. And if you want to stay connected with me, join me on Instagram and Twitter at Darkberry32. Just a little bit of Parmesan cheese. So then right away that went from vegan to vegetarian, I guess you can say. So there you go. Alright, so we have our choice of, again, HEB, wheat hot dog buns, and then we have these gourmet hot dog rolls that we got from Costco. So I'll probably end up putting his, I don't know, I'll find out which one he wants, but I know I'm going to be going whole wheat, or wheat, and I may do his wheat as well, because I know he normally uses these for those Costco hot dogs. So that's all they've been talking about on TV is Kansas City and Houston Texans, and we're psyched to watch some football, which is going to be kind of crazy because I'm normally watching YouTube videos. So we'll see. I may go back and forth, but yeah. So we got dinner on. Very fattening. Well, not real fattening, but it's not the healthiest meal. But hey, sometimes you gotta splurge a little. Right, now it's time to go ahead and build this delicious sandwich. Yum. Look at that, guys. There is no denying that this is some perfect football food. Bon appetit. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. But while I have your attention, if you don't mind, go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification so that you're notified every time I put up a video. And if you like the content, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thank you and good night.